Yes, yes. Hello, Vikas. How are you?
I am good. I am good. How are you?
I'm also good. And how was your day?
My day was good. I need to do a lot of things. Still, some of the things are pending.
Okay.
Yeah. What about you? How's your day going on?
It was pretty good. I'm doing my as usual work. Now I have a little bit time, so I thought I have to communicate with you.
Okay. Okay. That's good.
Could I
Mhm.
ask you something?
Why? Why not?
Okay. As we know that nowadays we have lots of apps, Candy app,
Yeah.
Go app, Cake app,
Mhm.
Hello app, Talk Now.
Mhm.
Do this app helpful for the beginner?
Exactly. If you want to remove your fear, hesitation, it will help you. But we rarely get good people there. Those have same interest and those have good knowledge so that they are interested to guide you. It's hardly we get people. We did these things. I did these things for 3 or 4 months, but I got only 3 to 4 people who has good knowledge. They are also interested in guiding and doing conversation. And so if in terms of beginner, it's not good. I think it's don't help. It will take more time in order to learn any language. If there is someone to guide us, if there is someone to correct our mistake, then that in that way we anything learn so quickly.
Okay, yes, yes, it's true that in my opinion, if we are using all kind of this app is beneficial for those who have little bit knowledge about English.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
if some don't know how to make sentences, then
Mhm.
how it's helpful for the beginner. So I think so. If you have little bit knowledge about English, then this kind of app is helpful for you because
Yeah,
if you are nowadays lots of app, you may say lots of institute is there, they can build
yeah,
your foundation, but I
yeah,
don't think so they can make you fluent. If you want to become
yeah,
fluent, you have to do practice by your own, is it?
yeah, yeah.
Do you
It's
agree with?
it's true. I am totally agree with you. We need to do practice by own. We need to find opportunity to talk. If there is no any environment to talk in English, we need to create that environment. And recently, I have started that environment, creating an environment. We don't teach people, we just guide, we share our experience, whatever our tutor have gone through that experience, that issues. We just share their
Yes,
knowledge.
you are doing great thing. You are doing wonderful job. You are a founder of English Yara. It's very, I think, I'm very happy that I'm talking to someone who is a founder of English Yara.
Thanks,
Okay.
it's my
And
pleasure.
I believe that it will become very, very, you may say, helpful for so many people.
Yeah, we are trying to help people.
And okay, in future it will become popular.
Yeah, yeah. And every day there are new learners are coming to us to have demo session, to have our plans. So we are trying to give our best. So, and people who has good knowledge, they are also coming to us to be a tutor to help people. So it's a
So
good for us. Our
you're doing wonderful job by creating this kind of
yeah. Hmm.
that is app or something else.
Web till
We-
now we have only website.
okay, you have website. It's very
Yeah.
wonderful that you are teaching for low price as well as you are giving that kind of environment. You're
Yeah, yeah.
providing lots of new tutors. Okay,
Yeah.
those who are eager to learn English, those who want to improve their communication,
Yeah.
you're doing
Yeah.
great job.
Yeah, thanks for that. Our main motive is to provide English speaking classes session at a affordable price so that most of the people from India can afford that. Basically, from people from India or Bihar, we come from middle class family. We live in village, tier 3 cities. We don't have enough money or access of good institute where we can learn. For
Yeah,
those all people,
it's true
I'm
because we are
trying to.
yes, we are Indians. We don't have that type of environment as well as we don't have that type of money. Okay,
Yes,
so
yes.
that we can spend for our English language because people are chasing for money. They are chasing for career, good career. Okay,
Yeah,
for that they on that. Okay.
yeah, yeah. Okay. So when I thought that to start any platform, that time I was watching few Camly videos. I was saying I was watching that there are millions of people. They just watch Camly video. They can't afford that price of
Yeah,
whatever
yeah,
they have.
they are charging huge amount. You may say they are charging almost 1 month. They are charging 8,000 or 10,000 for 1 month,
Yeah, it's
providing
the
15 minutes.
yeah, for just 15 minutes they are asking 5 to 600, and it is not affordable for us.
Yeah, yeah, it's true. I'm
Mhm.
totally agree with you. It's not affordable for every Indian, those who are
Yes.
eager to learn English, because
Yeah,
we are a middle class family, we have to do other things also. Okay.
yeah, yeah. And also in time, in terms of timing, we are not supposed to invest years to learn a language. Like English is not anything with the help of with the help of that you can earn money. English is not only the thing. It is just add an advantage
Yes, you
to.
may say it's only instrument. It's a tool which enhance our further career.
Yeah, it's an tool. With the help of it we can grow little bit more in our career.
Yes, if you want to face any interview in multinational company, if you have that kind of knowledge, then
Yeah,
it's very good to people to understand your what you're conveying.
yeah. And if communication to improve your communication, and we need to talk with a stranger. Like I have gone through your YouTube channel. You are also really passionate to learn communication skill, and you have been learning. I have seen that. So in order to improve your communication skill, we need to start talking
Hello.
fear, hesitation.
Yes, yes. If you want to become fluent in English, you have to interact with lots of people. I think you have to interact with good people. Okay, then only you become fluent.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah, yeah,
okay, okay. I believe that if you also make English habit. If you want to
mhm,
improve your communication, you have to make English habit.
yeah,
You have to
mhm, yeah,
you also make strategies in which area you are lacking in grammar section or in
yeah,
sentence formation, all kind of
mhm,
things we know in which area I'm lacking, in which area you are lacking. So
yeah,
we have to work on it and we have to
yeah,
overcome it. We have to
yeah,
overcome on it. By,
yeah.
by this improve our communication.
Yeah, yeah, I